Hello there. Today I'd like to show you our bleached blonde hair wefts. As you can see here, we have all kinds of wefted hairs. For example, this one. Light blonde weft hair. Caramel blonde light blonde hair. Honey blonde light blonde hair. As you see, we have all lengths of blonde hair extensions. All shapes. Some of them are wavy, some of them are slight wavy, some of them are straight, some of them could be very white. And all these hairs are being bleached by our professional bleaching technology. We bleach our hairs, as you know. We also provide education on bleaching human hair. If you're interested in placing large orders on these weft hair extensions, please let us know. These hairs are soft, fine, silky, and the very important thing is these hairs are healthy. We bleach them and we always make sure the quality of the hair stays as it was originally. Some of you already have purchased large amounts of our hairs. You know the quality of our hairs. So please do not hesitate to contact me for your wholesale or even retail orders on the bleached hair extensions. And thank you so much.